share with you. This being our first one,
Right.
and then I've got my real estate partner here, Rachel.
I'm Rachel Bruner with Keller Williams.
Yes.
Yes. So we're over in Ringgold. If you're not familiar with Callaway Farms, you're missing out. This is a really great established neighborhood. It's very convenient to the interstate. Just a couple minutes.
Yes.
If you're familiar with 41 Highway in Ringgold, probably the easiest way is to get off the Battlefield Parkway.
That's right. Get off at exit
41.
350.
Head toward 41, and then you're gonna come near. You're gonna take a right, and then you're gonna turn near the Sonic and come on back. But this neighborhood is beautiful.
Lots here. This home actually sits on 3/4 of an acre, so the lot size is 0.74.
And completely level.
Completely level. We have a nice lot here. We have a really nice 2-car garage that you will be amazed once we get in there as well. One of the things that we wanted to mention to you too, this home has, well, we'll talk about that when we get in.
Just to give you a few highlights, we're at 300 Morning Glory in Callaway Farms. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a bonus.
With a bonus.
And it's
got
got
a great bonus area.
just over 3,000 square feet, and we've got it listed at 320,000.
That's right.
Okay.
All right, come on in.
And just notice the level driveway.
Plenty of parking. So we're not having to do the car trucks here.
And the detail on the porch is really pretty here. If you can kind of zoom in on that. We're going to try to get y'all a little bit more detail. We do some great video walkthroughs. We've got Ron Duggar who shoots a lot of our video walkthroughs, but hopefully we can get just a little bit more detail on this walkthrough today. But if you'll notice the tile on the front covered porch.
And all the beautiful landscaping.
All right, come on in.
Okay, so as we enter this home, you can see that we have beautiful tile floor as our foyer, and to the left we have a great dining space.
Yep.
And
Hi,
here's
Francesca.
one of our partners, Francesca. Say hello. So we've got hardwood throughout down here. If you'll notice, it's got some really pretty hardwood. You've got a nice dining space here. You could even have a larger table where if you needed to seat a family of 6, you could do that.
Absolutely. And then also, when you might want to point out the vinyl windows, nice crown molding in here. And just a textured ceiling. So this is not a popcorn ceiling, just a light textured ceiling.
Okay, and before we go, let's just tell them a little bit here what we're going to do.
Okay.
So if you are watching our Facebook Live here, we are doing some fantastic giveaways. So one of the things that we are doing is we have a $30 dinner delivered gift card. We have 2 $5 Starbucks cards that we're going to be giving away. So if you want an iced coffee and a hot coffee, depending on the spring weather, you got your choice, right? Right?
We don't know about the spring weather today.
I know, today's a little chilly. And then also we are going to be donating to the Chattanooga Area Food Bank here. We're giving away a $150 donation in honor of our viewers.
Yes.
So if you are viewing, please stay tuned to the very end, and then you can follow us to the next home. We will be heading from Ringgold to Ooltewah.
Right.
And that's one thing I wanted to tell you too. I just left East Brainerd and is showing you Mountain Shadows. Took me not even 10 minutes really to get here. That's where this location is. It's such a very convenient location.
Yeah. Maybe just to talk a little bit more about our giveaways. We're going to give 4 giveaways away today.
That's right.
So we're going to be at 4 open houses, this one in Ringgold, 3 others in Ooltewah. And so you've got the chance to win 4 times.
4 times.
So we are going to have 4 $30 dinner delivered cards and 2 $5 Starbucks with each drawing.
With each drawing, that's right.
Yeah.
So to get your name in 4 times, this is what you have to do.
4 entries per each house.
So if you're just watching, that's 1 entry, okay? If you watch and like, that's your 2nd entry.
Right.
If you watch and you like it, and then you give us a great comment about the particular home that we are in.
Be specific. We'd love to hear your comments on the kitchen,
Right.
the floors, the outdoor space.
That's right.
Yes.
Be specific. And then the 4th way to get your name in the hat is share it with someone that you might know that's looking for a great home in this location with this floor plan that would fit their family.
Yeah, or just share it on your page.
Or share it on your page. That's right. So if you could do that for us, we've got Francesca here that's going to be taking the names and keeping up with that so we don't miss anyone. And then we'll go on with our tour.
Yes.
We ready?
All right, moving on.
Thank you.
Thank you, Wendy.
Okay, so as we come through the dining room here, of course we came off the foyer through the dining room. If you'll notice, you've got this great kitchen.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
You've got all solid surface countertop here.
Yeah, this is a Corian.
This is a Corian countertop. You've got newer appliances. I think they're 1 year.
Just 1 month ago.
1 month. I'm sorry, 1 month.
Brand new refrigerator.
You've got a Samsung refrigerator. You've got a nice pantry over here. It's got good storage.
Erica. Very nice.
Great pantry.
And about a year ago, our homeowner shared with us that he resurfaced these cabinets.
So if you'll notice, it's got kind of the distressed look right here. It's a really pretty color and it's very neutral. It matches this really pretty tile backsplash with the underlighting. So it's just really nice combination the way he's done this.
Also, he's got an appliance garage over here in the corner, which is great to have the toaster or whatever you need to put out there.
Right.
Nice little island.
This little island too, you can move it. So if you don't like the way he has it set up here, you can move this to a different angle. Yep. But right now he likes it this way because it gives such good space, and he is a cook.
Yes, he is.
So he loves his kitchen.
And also make note of the bar space that you've got in this kitchen. He's got 3 bar stools, but you could probably maybe even get a 4th one there.
You could get a 4th bar stool here, and this is a place that he loves to hang out because he can sit here, work on his computer, you know, and be access to the kitchen and everything here.
Cozy eating area.
You've got a cozy breakfast area with your dining room. So with this bay window style, it bumps out and gives you a lot of space here. Now, as we keep going this way, Erica,
good neutral colors on the wall.
you do have a laundry on the main level, and with this laundry on the main level, you also have a half bath. So right off the kitchen, if you're preparing food or whatever, and you need, you know, restroom area, you've got that. And then, of course, he's redone these cabinets, too, which is a really pretty color. I think it matches really nicely with this wall that he's painted.
Really pretty, and tile floor. And then also, Erica, while we're right here, just off the kitchen area, we've got a roomy 2-car garage.
Now, this garage is amazing. It's even got its own sitting area in the garage.
Yes. So he has put, painted it with that epoxy paint. So just a really clean, well-organized garage. Walls have been painted, your panel box is out here. Also, you've got some extra space tucked back in this corner where you've got a brand new water heater. That's like a Mac Daddy water heater.
This is also one of these energy efficient water heaters, so you never run out of hot water. But what's so cool about this garage as well, if you'll notice he's got kayaks and stuff hanging up in here. But if you're a water lover and you have a nice sized boat, you can fit a boat in this garage right here.
Yeah,
or if you have, you know, recreational vehicles, Sea-Doos, something like that, you have the space here in this garage, which you don't find in a lot of garages.
Absolutely.
So,
or if you wanted to do like a workshop space, so if you moved the refrigerator out and the boxes out, you could do like a little workshop or some counter space in that corner. And also just they've got a central vac as well throughout the house.
Right.
Yeah, tall ceilings in here. I'd say these are probably at least 10 foot. So you could probably get some storage up higher on the wall as well. And then 2 doors, so plenty of room for 2 cars.
Okay, so as we just pulled our car in. We're gonna bring our groceries in. Here we go.
And it just walks you 2 steps up. Was that right?
Yes.
2 steps up.
2
so
steps.
Makes it easy, and we come right into the kitchen.
Okay. So one thing I wanted to point out too, this is one of my favorite things about the home, is the fact that you have this open flow, but it's not just all one big room. You've got a large entry here. So with the open flow, you can come straight through to this great living room. And if you'll notice, it's hardwood throughout, of course. And then you've got this really pretty corner fireplace with gas logs. It's got the painted brick that matches with all the other colors. This
beautiful.
Paint throughout the home was done, what, the
past? Yeah, it's been pretty recent. So,
yeah, I think it was less than a year.
Yeah, the homeowner has
less
painted
than a year. He has repainted all of this.
Yeah.
It's got really nice fixtures, lighting fixtures throughout the home, and then of course you've got so much natural light coming off of all these windows.
Wendy, you might want to point out the coat closet. So this house does have a coat closet.
Yes, we do have a nice size coat closet, as you can see. There's some things here that you could fit in here.
And
we will take you, we're going to stay on the main level,
yes,
so we're going to go around this room.
And this is an oversized screened-in porch. So this is, I would spend stay out here.
Yes.
Oh, this
the
is
walk-in
nice.
porch
So
is
nice.
amazing.
You've got wonderful hot tub that we've
The
got
hot
running.
tub, we've got it nice and running. That would be great to get in today because
Yes.
it is a little chilly.
Great place for
Um,
grilling.
You got the grilling, but this is not all. Once, if you want some uncovered space, we have an extra deck. Rachel can show you the extra deck out
Swing's
here.
awful nice, and then you can also see, and watch your step here, Erica, how large this lot is. And like Wendy said, it's right there at 3/4 of an acre.
Right, so there's no way people can build behind here either.
That's
So
correct.
that's one thing that the seller has pointed out to us. This is property that no one can just build right behind your property. But it's totally flat. You've got some really pretty natural rock. Erica, if you want to show them some of this natural rock, it just gives it a really nice accent out here.
But if you're looking for a usable lot for kids, for pets, this would be easy to fence, and you wouldn't have to
Garden.
fence all of it. You know, if you want a garden, yeah, that's right. To throw a ball, play baseball. I mean, there's so
Have a soccer
many.
field.
Yep, there's so many uses for this. And what's also nice, Erica, if you want to pan, is they brought the sidewalk from the driveway all the way around to the back. So that's a really nice feature as well.